Hello my 5th standard kids, welcome to English class. This is your English teacher. Hope you are all fine. Let us go on to the new lesson for this term 3, unit 1, 5 detectives. Okay, detectives meaning they are they are solving the mysterious cases, crime cases. There are 5 children here with a small dog. Okay, this is the story about them, how they are solving the crimeful cases. So I am just going on to say how they have solved a particular mysterious case and how they are being called as 5 detectives or 5Ds. That only I am going to explain to you the whole video. When we get the whole of the book fully, we can read and see the full lesson in detail. Okay children? Okay, I am going for the Pictionary here. Okay, here we have Pictionaries. First one is waxwork. See how the waxwork is happened, how they have done the waxwork for the statues in the wax. This is the way they do the wax for them, like life-size dummy made of wax of a man. It can be done for, they have made like this wax work in a museum in America. So they have given for our Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, all these people have been done that wax work. Okay, next we have here magician. You know, all of you who does the magic person. Then this guy that is doing makeup or acting like somebody. So that is makes disguise. Then chit, paper is small paper. Then statue. All of you know about the statue. They in America Museum, they also have a museum for this waxwork statue for our Obama, Mahatma Gandhi also they have. Here all of them are in a place. These are the 5 children. So they are sitting in a house in Ooty. Arul and Amoda in their house, and they were very much happy for the spending the vacation. They were been solving some 3 mysterious cases in the city, and their friends were called as Srijit, Jesse and Fatima. Okay, they were called as 5Ds. They were very appreciated by the police because they have did very admirable works. So they have been very helpful for the police department. So this is the small dog they have that known as Pablo, and it is very helpful for them, okay, to solve the cases. Now when all this were happening, they were all continuously happy in the holidays. After a week, Srijit, Jesse, Fatima and Pablo came to Amuda and Arun's house. Pablo was very happy to see them. Okay, he was wagging his tail and was very much happy to see up and down they were going about. They were, Srijit was asking any mystery or any crime has happened when we were not there or anything. Nothing they said. Okay, then they all planned to go for a town's fair. Town's fair means exhibition, something like that. They want to go and visit. But at last they decided to go see the waxwork studio and find out how many wax figures are inside in that. When they were going on their way, they saw Inspector Velayudham. Okay, he saw them and he is the inspector of that area, and they wished him, and he also said hello and he passed away. But he was very very curious and very tension to when he was going on his way. For that, Srijit was asking why is he very tension, what has happened. Now Monday, Jessie, on this Monday in Jessie's house, Jessie had heard her father talking about a robbery that has will be happening in the museum. They were just having a plan, and the plan was leaked out, and Jesse's father was hearing about that phone call in talking. So Jessie came out and told her friends all about this, and they were very distinct to see who is the robber and what has happened. Then they want to solve the case before Inspector Velayudham could do it. So what she did said, he let us dress up like the old man and find out the clues and I'll go and sit near the garden there and find out what has happened. So he dressed up like the old man, and he was sitting in the bench and was coughing and sniffing. Nobody could understand that is a small boy, but they all thought it is a small, that is an old man. And then this same way, every time there was a man coming in the cycle and gave that Srijit, dressed up as an old man, a parcel, a packet, and asked him, where were you yesterday? Why didn't you been here? And he asked. So Srijit didn't have any answer, but just took over the packet of chocolate and went away. The man also went away. Srijit took it and kept it in his pocket. He was really, he saw the real old man coming in this direction, and he just hid himself in the bush. This was seen by Inspector Velayudham when the old man was coming from the far. So he ran and caught up the old man and asked for the packet of chocolate that a cycle man gave him. But the old man said he is not having anything. But the police took him to the police station and locked him up in the jail. While this was happening, the 5D gathered in the JC's garage, and they opened up the chocolate packet. What is in the chocolate packet? They wanted to see what is it. So they were all confused. When they opened it, nothing was very important there, but only a crockery items, a small chit was there. They were very much confused. What is this? Only a small chit is in the packet. Nothing is there. So they understood some code word must be that, and they asked. They were saying, Amuda was saying that there is a magic pen that will light up the and show what is the real formula or the real message in the chit paper. So Jessie took the pen from her house and gave the magic pen, flashed up the light, and they got the message that is, tell number 3, Waxworks, Tuesday, 9 p.m, number 5. Okay, this was a message given in that chit. Now tomorrow is Tuesday, said Arul, so the gang will be meeting tomorrow. While they sat in the garden, the Inspector Velayudham saw Srijit being dressed up like the old man. Oh, you are Srijit, only you are that old man, huh? So he got very upset and very angry with this Srijit becoming like that. So Srijit then confessed. Then he said the whole of the idea of becoming the old man and got the clue from the chit that the message was been in the chit. Then, but the inspector said, very good that you found the chit, but don't be involved in this case anymore. Get out of this case, he said. Okay, then Srijit had another idea to again disguise himself, that is dress up himself as a wax statue and go inside the wax works and find out what has happened, okay, inside the wax works, and see that find out the clue about it. But so he went inside the wax work. He just unlocked he opened up one of the windows so that he can get inside the wax work without anybody's ideas later. So he just windows alone he opened up. Next, on the Tuesday night, as he wanted to go inside the wax work, he saw Inspector inside the wax work. So Srijit heard, then he did not do anything, he went back home. The next morning on Tuesday, after Tuesday, next morning they heard the news that Inspector Velayudham has arrested 3 robbers and then a diamond necklace also. So this was very upset by the 5Ds. So they were all meeting together when they heard Jesse's father again asking somebody, overheard somebody, where is the real necklace? Now the news was very alarming for the 5Ds. What has happened to that? They were going on asking for the wanted to find out the real necklace. Then what they did, after an hour, when they went away, they saw the old man in the same place, sitting the same bench. So they all went and sat near the old man, observing and what the old man was drawing on the ground with a stick. This was noticed by Inspector Velayudham. Okay, now they were going on seeing what the old man is waiting for. As soon as Velayudham took up the old man, they went to see what the old man wrote on the ground. He wrote waxworks. So at waxworks, all went inside waxworks and saw. Now Srijit asked Amuda, where will you place a diamond necklace in this place? Where would you place it? Amuda said, very easy work is on the princess statue, because the princess is already wearing more jewels. So nobody will see the jewels, the diamond necklace that she is wearing. So it will be very protected there. So they straight went to the princess statue. So they saw the real diamond necklace there. So Srijit took it and put it in his pocket. Then he went straight to a senior policeman standing outside. Then he told all the details about the diamond necklace, how they took it, and the whole story was told. And they were all appreciated for their courage and dedication towards their city. So this is the whole story of this 5 detectives. So this is the glossary: admirable, praiseworthy, mystery, kept secret, pestering, irritating, overheard, to hear without a speaker's knowledge, solved, to find the answer, sniffed, to smell by short inhalations, furious, intensely angry. This is the whole lesson, children. Hope you understood. Thank you.